Hello mga lods! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to have my breakfast at Bunny Cafe. Yeah, there. Before going to work at 10, my training on my new job starts today. So, yeah, I'll see you here. I'll eat na.
Actually, wala to sa plano eh. Naisipan ko lang kumain dito. Dumating ako ng maaga sa work. Ayan. Eh, may ilang parang 2 oras pa yata. Kaya, ayun. Naisipan ko. Wala pa akong breakfast noon. Nag-ano lang ako sa bahay. Nagkape.
Hello, buddies. Oh my god, they're so cute. Hello, hello. 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 Hiya. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Wala na, kompleto na araw ko. Hi, baby. Oh. Wow. Bakit nag-auto po? Hello. Hi, baby. Hi. Oh my God. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. 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 So nice. Hello. Ah! Oy.
Nakakawala ng stress yung mga bunnies, no? Tara, pasok na tayo. Bunny Cafe is located in Tangub. It's just a few walks away from Transcom, Bacolod, which was formerly Lopez. It's a very unique cafe because it's not your ordinary cafe. They have bunnies, they have rabbits, and yeah, hedgehogs. Like there, you see those? Those are still sleeping hedgehogs. So cute. I ordered their bestseller, Hungarian sausage. However, it's not available daw kasi ubos na. I mean, it's still the first thing in the morning and then ubos na agad. Like, I think I'm the first customer and you guys just opened. So, why? Sayang. I ended up eating their hot dogs, but the good thing is I was surprised because this was supposed to be 130 pesos. However, they told me when I paid it at the counter that it's going to be 99 pesos. They have a promo, so you guys should check it out. Go, it's very affordable. I was really shocked.
Not your ordinary hot dog. something taste yung hotdog nila. And hindi siya yung ordinary hotdog.
May pasayaw-sayaw pa eh, no? Ayan. Malapit na ako matapos dyan. And, gabi. Masarap naman yung hotdog nila. Masarap siya. Nang hinayang lang ako na hindi available yung first choice ko. Ayan. Last bite na siguro yan. Ayan. Last bite na yan. Focus pa more. Korean spoon yung, kita nyo maliit yung subuan. Tapos mahaba yung hawakan. Yon. Tsaka ganun pa man, 99 pesos lang binayaran ko instead of 130. So thank you so much, Bunny Cafe. That was very unexpected. I really enjoyed eating. Masarap yung hotdog. And sana next time, tikman ko na yung Hungarian sausage nyo. Oo. Yung pinaka bestseller nyo. Ayan, yun lang. Sarap na sarap si kuya mo. May tira pa palang hotdog. Ayan. Sige. Brace ka pa kasi yan. Tuloy. Hirap kumain na may brace, no? May naiiwan. Yung tipong pag nagugutom ka na, ayan mo lang yung dila mo. Kuha ka lang pagkain. Kadiri. Joke lang.